Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn about plant tissues and organs. Plants are living organisms, but not all plants look the same as each other. A tree is very different from a rose bush. However, they all have similar structure. All plants have roots. Roots hold a plant in place in the ground and also take in the water. Second, stem. Stem is a plant's main support. Above the ground, it holds the leaf so they can get light for photosynthesis. Next one is leaves. All plants have leaves. Leaves are where a plant makes its food. All plants have flowers. Flowers are the reproductive organs of a plant. There are a lot of kinds of different flowers, but most flowers are brightly colored and sweet smelling. Last one is bud. Buds are where growth starts. Growth takes place at the tip of roots and shoots. These are the parts of the plants that are common in all plants. Fundamental unit of life is a single cell. Plants are made of more than one cell. That's why they are known as multicellular organisms. Plant tissue is a collection of similar cells performing an organized function for the plant. Each plant tissue is specialized for a unique purpose and can be combined with other tissues. There are a lot of different tissues in plants for unique purposes. Here, four tissues are discussed. First one is photosynthetic tissues. The job of photosynthetic tissues is second one is protective tissues. Protective tissues covers the surface of roots, stems and leaves. It is a thin transparent skin that protects the plant from damage or infection. Next one is xylem tissues. The job of xylem tissue is to carry water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. Xylem tissues have thick and strong walls which support the plant. Xylem is a dead tissue. The job of phloem tissue is to carry food from the leaves to the other part of the plant. Phloem tubes are made up of living cells. There are holes at the end of each phloem cell so sugar solution can pass through. Sugar solution can go both up and down in a phloem tube. Each plant tissue is specialized for a unique purpose and can be combined with other tissues to create organs like flower, leaves. These organs together make a plant, which is an organism. An organism is something that is able to survive on its own. Here in this diagram, the tissues of leaves are shown. A leaf is a plant organ whose job is to make food by photosynthesis. Leaves have protective tissues which protect them from any harm. Photosynthetic tissues which are necessary for photosynthesis. Xylem tissues which carries waters and minerals. And phloem tissues which carries food. In order for tree to carry photosynthesis and maintain its overall health, water and nutrients need to move throughout the entire tree. Roots and stems are plant organs which contain the transport system of a plant. They have thin tubes inside them which carry liquids up and down of the plant. There are two kinds of tubes, xylem and phloem. Collectively, these tubes are known as vascular tissues. Xylem is composed of vessels which are continued tubes formed from dead hollow cells arranged end to end. Xylem tissues have strong and thick walls which support the plant. Xylem tissues carry water and minerals from the soil up to the plant. The other main vascular tissue is phloem. Phloem transport carbohydrates and amino acids that are produced in the leaves to the cells in the root and stem where they are used and stored. The transport or movement in phloem tube can go in both directions or both sides, upward and downward. Xylem and phloem tubes are bundled together, known as vascular bundles. Inside a stem, there is a vascular bundle. We have already discussed that vascular bundle consists of phloem tissues and xylem tubes. Phloem tubes carry sugar made in the leaves up and down the plant. These tubes have, on the other hand, xylem tissues carry water and minerals from the roots to the other part of the plants, and they have strong walls. Leaves are the food factories of plants. Leaves are usually green, although other colors exist. Whatever the color, all leaves contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the chemical that absorbs light energy from the sun. Leaves are where a plant makes food during photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is an endothermic process in which the leaves uses sunlight to turn carbon dioxide into sugar that the cell can use as energy. Now look at the structure of leaf. First of all, midrib. The midrib is a central thick vein which provide support to the leaf. Next one is lamina. The primary function of lamina is photosynthesis. Next one is leaf stalk. The stalk is by which leaves of a plant are attached to a stem. Leaves have a lot of veins, and these veins are made of vascular bundles. Vascular bundles consist of phloem tubes and xylem tubes. Leaves have broad and flat surface to absorb lots of light and exchange gases. Leaves have holes known as stomata to let gases get in and out from the surrounding air. Now let's discuss the inside structure of a leaf. The upper skin of a leaf is transparent to let the light through to the cells below. It is covered by a layer of wax. The layer of wax is called cuticle, and it makes the leaf waterproof. Xylem tissues for the movement of water and minerals. Phloem tissues for the movement of sugar from the leaves to the rest of the tree or plant. Vein in leaf are made of xylem and phloem. The tiny holes at the bottom of the leaf is known as stoma. Lots of holes are called stomata. Stomata let gases get in and out from the surrounding air.